Hi, this is Matt at Engadget. Today we're taking a look at the Vodafone Smart 2, this year's sequel to last year's Vodafone Smart, Vodafone branded Android device that's looking to take people that are previously on a feature phone through the wacky world of Android. Taking a look at the device, it's a 3.2-inch HVGA screen running Android 2.3 on a 800 MHz processor. On the back you'll find a 3.2 megapixel camera with flash, and obviously there's a little speaker grill there, some Vodafone branding, and obviously Google, who obviously deal with the Android business. Taking a tour through the device, the 800 MHz processor is pretty speedy from our hands-on we've had with it. Obviously that depends on what apps you run it with. If we jump open the browser and load up Engadget, you should see it should be able to handle the desktop features. Obviously it's a bit more stuttery than middle or heavyweight phones, but pinch to zoom works. We can zip in and out. The screen's pretty grainy at this resolution, even at this smaller size, but the device does feel pretty nice and handy in the device. It's pretty solid, there's no creak, presumably thanks to this two-part shell actually. This single piece of back-facing plastic is actually bounded in by a second piece, which makes the border here. The original Smart came with a customizable back cover, so possibly Vodafone will be doing something similar here. Android interface-wise, they've gone for the 4-button display that's more often seen in the US: search, back, menu and home. We obviously haven't heard anything about ice cream sandwich coming to the device, but we presume with these smaller specs that's pretty unlikely. There's a headphone socket at the top and the power on and off button. Taking a tour around to the other edge, this is left largely plain. At the bottom you'll have the charging port, as you see there, and on the final edge a dedicated photo button, a dedicated camera button, sorry, you can see that there, and the volume rocker. The camera itself is fixed focus, and the button is just a one-stage thing, but again, at this price we're not really liable to complain all that much about it. It's available now on pay-as-you-go plans at just £70 in UK stores now. This has been Matt at Engadget.